Assalamu alaikum dear students. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in English grammar class and I am your English subject teacher. Let's move toward today's lecture. Today we are going to do Comprehension Passage 2. Iqbal is not only the greatest poet of our age but also one of the greatest poets of all times. There are not many poets who wrote so many great poems as he did. He did not write poetry for poetry's sake. He was, in fact, much more than a mere poet. He was a learned man. He was a great scholar. He was a great philosopher. He was a political leader of great importance. But more than anything, he was a Muslim who had great love for God and his Prophet, peace be upon him. He wrote poetry to express the great and everlasting truths of philosophy, history, and Islam. He wrote poetry to awaken the Muslims of the whole world from the deep sleep. He asked the Muslims of the whole world to unite. Here the comprehension passage ends, and at the end of the comprehension passage, a few questions are asked from the particular passage, and you have to locate the answer from that passage. First question is, why is Iqbal considered to be one of the greatest poets of all times? What is the reason? Answer, Iqbal is considered to be one of the greatest poets of all times because he wrote many great poems for the good of human beings. Second question is, did he write poetry for poetry's sake? No, he did not write poetry for poetry's sake. Third question, how can you say that Iqbal was much more than a mere poet? How can you say, how can you predict that he was not only a poet? Iqbal was a learned man, a great scholar, a great philosopher, and a great political leader, so we can say that he was much more than a mere poet. Question number 4, what kind of Muslim was Iqbal? Iqbal was much devoted to God and his Prophet ﷺ. He wished to free the Muslims from ignorance. Question number 5, with what aim did he write poetry? He wrote poetry with the aim of awakening the Muslims of the world from deep sleep. Question 6, what was Iqbal's call to the Muslim of the whole world? Answer, he asked the Muslim world to unite. Question 7, write the meaning of the underlined words. Two words are underlined, one unite and second philosopher. You have to write the meaning of these two words. Unite means together and philosopher means learned in philosophy. Then suggest a suitable title of the given passage. The passage we have read today, you have to suggest the suitable title. Then write precis, write a concise paragraph on the given comprehension passage. Write this comprehension passage on your notebooks, and thank you so much for watching my video.